on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the preppy, crafty girls.
Hey everyone, this is a haul that all started with my friend Julie at Day Trip Vintage Co. She hauled some labels, not some labels, but she hauled these little cards, these little mini cutouts from Hobby Lobby. So that's kind of how it started. And then I ended up going to the Dollar General was right next door. And then I went to Five Below, which was right next door. So I have just a small haul. I thought I'd share some things with you, but these are really, really cute. They were over in the back to school. They were 40% off. So, a little over $1. And then they had the classroom label. I just thought these were really, really fun. So these are little labels. Let me pull them out. Yeah, these are just little. How cute is this? So it's like the front of a composition notebook label. Those are adorable. I haven't seen anyone haul these, but I haven't been watching a whole lot of hauls lately. I'm trying to stay out of the stores, but Julie caught me. And I really went in to get these. And then while I was in there, I decided to pick up some Rit dye, and I got some fall colors because I want to do some dyeing. I recently did a ton of hauls you guys have been watching, and I've just been continuing, and this is my nasty nail polish because I've been doing this all night, and I'm on like my 6th hour of filming. So bear with me because this is my last one, and then for a while. So, and I'm going to do more tutorials and things like that coming up. But anyway, I got that at Hobby Lobby, and then I got some fall fun colors. I got dark brown and marigold, and I got this sunshine orange and hyacinth. So I got those for fall. I thought they'd be really pretty color combination. And that was all I got at Hobby Lobby. I was really proud of myself. That was it. Conquered. And then I went to Five Below, which is right next door, and look what I got for Saturday morning cartoons. Hello. If you haven't been playing along, you need to be. It's on Saturday morning at 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, and we've been having so much fun talking all things childhood cartoons and vintage toys and vintage commercials and everything like that. And I found Pop Tarts and Lego my Egos. So these are going to be fun. I'm going to have to work in these on Saturday. All right. Then I found this really cute correction tape. Oh my goodness. It's a little bear holding a strawberry. And so I like to carry correction tape in my little travel journal pouch, my Sula pouch, and I don't have a cute one. So when I saw this, I'm like, yes, I need this. And you just press down, I guess, and then drag it. Oh, it's so easy. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then the bear hides in there. Does he pop back in? How do you get him to come back out? It's like a pen. Oh, I love this. It's going to be so cute in my Sula pouch. So super excited about that. Five Below. I think it was $2, $2 or $3, which isn't bad. And then I have been wanting this. This is by Pipsticks because I follow a planner girl, and she had this. Her and her friend picked it up at the Stationery Fest. And so I ended up finding it at Five Below, and it's a Pipsticks. So anyway, I got this. So I think this would be really cute for somebody who's never done junk journaling, but I'm putting it in my Sula bag just to have something on the go. But I think for somebody who's never done any kind of junk journaling, for $5, you can get this book, and it'll give them a good start. You know, kind of to add like stickers and borders and faux washi tapes. It just is kind of fun all over the place. Guest checks and, just kind of like, yeah, it is crazy. But, and then it has like alphabets, really fun alphabets. And then in the back, it has paper. So like grass and daisies and pink and green, my favorite color combo. That's my other favorite color combo, aqua and teal. Oh my gosh. So I picked this up just to have for on the go use. So if you have a Five Below and you want to get someone started, get them one of these for $5 and pick them up a cute pen and get them like a traveler's notebook or something they can work in, and or make them a junk journal and then give them. I think this would be a nice Christmas gift. Yeah. So anyway, I got that. Then I stopped at Dollar Tree and I found the retro tissue paper. I needed some more, so I did pick this up. There's 6 sheets, but you only get 2 of the cute sheets. So there was that. I went and got another one of these little tapes, so I need to remove the lemon scent from it. But I have it. I want to add this to my junk journal that I'm doing from my music career. And I thought I need to take this off. I need to put this on my journal because right now it's on the Rainbow Bright journal. And then I got this from it. I never saw these. This is the only one they had. So mine didn't get this charm bar in. It was on the end of an aisle. And these were the only ones they had. But I love them because it's very retro. And you have I'm assuming, to be honest, I don't even know what this is. I thought maybe it was a boom box at first, or I don't know what that is. If anybody knows what this is, please tell me. I don't know. I do know what this is. This is like the old, it's either the VCR TV combo or it is a computer screen. So again, if anybody knows what that one is, please tell me because there's nothing on here that says what it is. But anyway, I just got it for this either TV VCR combo or the old computer screen. All right, then I also picked up 2 more of these because I told you, remember, I don't know if you saw my Dollar Tree hack that I made the little it's right here. I can show you the little traveler's notebook, and I made it more of a shaker. And so this is my little traveler's notebook, and I made that one that way. But I have another idea for these, and I'm going to do that. And again, another little quick 15 DIY hack, 15-minute DIY hack, and that will be coming up. Either you've already seen it or it'll be coming up. I don't know yet because I don't know when this is going to air. But anyway, that is my Dollar Tree Five Below and Enable Julie Hobby Lobby haul. And I'm going to thank you guys so much for hanging in there and putting up with my nasty nail polish. And I will be back with new nail polish on, and we will do some junk journaling actually. And I have all my thrift hauls done. I don't plan on doing any thrifting. I have company coming in, actually 2 different groups of people coming in at 2 different times. And then they do not like to thrift or junk journal. So yeah, I don't know how they're my friends, but they put up with me and it's okay. So I have them coming in, and we will probably be doing more educational things like going to the museum. We may, if it's not too hot, go to the zoo. I've yet to get to the zoo here, and I've heard it's phenomenal. So anyway, we shall see. Thank you for hanging in there. If you love my content or even like it, please give me a thumbs up. Give that thumbs up smash right now. And if you're watching on a television, grab your cell phone, hit on this video and give me the thumbs up, and then hit the notification bell so you know when I'm coming on. I do a lot of lives, impromptu, and my videos come up. You'll get the notification. And then also leave a comment below if you are like me and you love any of these 3 stores. And you can just say what you would have picked up or what you would not have picked up. And I will be back, and I'm going to do a bunch of dyeing. I can't wait. I'm going to have so much fun. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
With glue sticks and golden scissors in her hand. But most most of all, she's happy when she's crafty with her friends.